Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpath trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
नमस्ते, मोक्षपटम एनालिसिस के पंच पोर्टल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं डॉक्टर मोना दीक्षित। आइए अगस्त माह के इस सप्ताह में आरोग्य के विषय में मोक्षपट आपको क्या बता रहा है। सही बात है, पहला सुख निरोगी काया। अगर काया निरोगी है तो मन भी निरोगी रहेगा। जरूरत है आपको अपने खान पान की आदतें सुधारने की। आदतों में लाया हुआ बदलाव आपके शरीर को स्वास्थ्य में बहुत बढ़ोतरी देगा। आप तीखा तला हुआ भोजन न करें, परहेज करें, सुपाच्य संतुलित आहार लें। वर्षा काल के इस समय में ऋतु आधारित संतुलित मात्रा में फल का उपयोग जरूर करें। आप सप्रमाण मात्रा में एक्सरसाइज यानी कि कसरत भी कर सकते हैं। आपकी सही लाइफस्टाइल आपके संतुलित जीवन में बदलाव लाने के लिए बहुत उपयोगी साबित होगी। निद्रा के लिए भी आप जरूर ध्यान दें। अगर सही मात्रा में नींद लोगे तो आपका शरीर अच्छा रहेगा। वर्तमान में जिस प्रकार हम सब गैजेट्स के साथ जुड़े रहते हैं, आप देर रात्रि तक गैजेट्स के साथ काम करने से बचें। जरूरी हो तो अवश्य काम करें, लेकिन ये रोजाना ना हो। सही नींद, सही आहार, सही सोच, सही दिशा आपके मन और शरीर के स्वास्थ्य को बहुत बेहतर बनाएगी। आप सही मात्रा में सच्चा और अच्छा सोच सकते हैं। अगर आपका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा है तो आपको हर तरफ, हर क्षेत्र में आनंद ही आनंद नजर आएगा। आप बहुत अच्छा कुछ सीख सकते हैं, कोई शौक फरमा सकते हैं, कोई आनंद से पर्यटन स्थलों की मुलाकात ले सकते हैं। आप कुदरती वातावरण में इस वर्षा काल में संयमित रूप से सतर्कता बरतते हुए आप घूमने भी जा सकते हैं और आप आनंद से परिवेश का लुत्फ उठा सकते हैं। आपके लिए आरोग्य पहला स्थान होना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। आपका आरोग्य बहुत अच्छा हो। नमस्ते।
Namaste, Lakshita here. This week's Mokshapatam guidance for the week of August 25th to August 31st is all about deepening your emotional bonds through love, presence, and gentle understanding. Just like a soft fragrance that quietly uplifts the atmosphere through warmth and sincerity, can create harmony in your relationships. Let go of the need to fix, control, or prove anything. Instead, simply be present with kindness and an open heart. For example, instead of offering advice, simply listening to a friend who is going through a tough time can make them feel deeply supported. Or sending a simple message like, "I appreciate you," can bring unexpected warmth and closeness to your relationship. Even small acts like making time for a heartfelt conversation, sending a thoughtful message, or simply sitting in silence with someone can invite healing and connection. Choose softness over reaction, compassion over criticism. When you show up this way, you create space for trust, love, and deeper understanding to grow naturally. Affirmation for this week: I nurture my relationships with love, presence, and gentle understanding. Thank you. Signing off for now.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Moksha Pat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Moksha Pat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी। I am a life coach, a divination expert, and an energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your spirituality according to Moksha Pat board from August 24th to August 31st. अध्यात्म की दृष्टि से देखें तो इस सप्ताह आपको आत्मबोध होगा कि जिन धारणाओं का आप अभी तक अनुसरण कर रहे थे वो आपको भ्रमित कर रही हैं या फिर गलत दिशा में ले जा रही हैं, और उन सब को त्याग कर आप नए दृष्टिकोण के साथ अध्यात्म से जुड़ेंगे। सही सिद्धांतों और उत्तम ज्ञान के साथ अध्यात्म के नए अध्याय का अनुभव करेंगे। हो सकता है आपको कोई नया मार्गदर्शक, कोई नया गुरु मिल जाए। ये नया मार्गदर्शक या गुरु आपका कोई संबंधी, कोई मित्र या फिर कोई आध्यात्मिक पुस्तक भी हो सकती है। और फिर सही सिद्धांतों और उत्तम मार्गदर्शन के साथ चलकर आप अपने आप को संपूर्ण अनुभव करेंगे। सुझाव आपके लिए ये है कि जीवन में थोड़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, थोड़ी उदारता लेकर आए। गो विद द फ्लो लाइक वाटर, जैसे कि पानी को जिस भी बर्तन में रखें उसी का आकार ले लेता है। अध्यात्म भी तो आखिरकार जीवन जीने की सही कला ही सिखाता है। So embrace this alignment with the divinity. See you next week with new guidance. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance from the Moksha Pat board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Moksha Pat reader and trainer, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 25th August to 31st August 2025 in regard to business and profession. The board guides us to follow our dharma. We should uphold ethical standards for credibility and trust and not indulge in unethical conduct. Set clear career goals and develop action plans and expand professional networks for new opportunities. Refrain from selfish actions, dishonesty, and neglecting responsibilities. This is the time to update skills for career growth. Also recognize any unethical action and seek clarity on the path to rectification. Lack of honesty with self and others can lead to internal conflict. We need to base professional decisions on comprehensive and relevant data and take positive actions aligned with our career goals. Our business and profession will flourish if we adopt an unbiased and open-minded approach and align business decisions with factors promoting success. For positive results, we need to connect with our aspiration and align actions and address the root cause of challenges. We should stay motivated and have clarity about professional objectives, which will certainly lead to progress and growth opportunities. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi, wishing you all an abundant and prosperous time ahead. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa, your Moksha Pat expert and guide here with you in the Punch Portal program for the period of 25th August to 31st August 2025. Let us seek guidance from the Moksha Pat board regarding finance during this period. This week brings positive and promising energy in the financial realm. It is especially beneficial for those involved in the financial sector, such as financial advisors, stock market professionals, salespeople, and anyone dealing with the investments or money management. This period is deeply connected to the throat chakra. which represents expressions, communications, and speaking your truth. It encourages you to be more vocal and confident in presenting your financial ideas, products, or services. If you are in the sales or consulting, your voice and communication skill can bring success. It is a favorable time for financial planning, make new investments, and setting long-term financial goals. Don't delay by overthinking or waiting for the perfect time. This is the time to take action. Reach out to financial expert or advisors. Express your concerns and needs clearly and follow their guidance to make wise decisions. Feel the passion and zeal for growing your finances. Bring creativity into your investment approach and explore new financial tools or strategies that can secure your future. Confidence, clarity, and consistency will be your biggest assets. Stay grounded, take initiative, and trust that the universe supports your financial growth when your actions are aligned with awareness. Wishing you a prosperous and purpose driven week ahead. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.